Tall towers need deep base. My career has been a tall journey, but the base is deep. I owe this to my college, D.Y. Patil Medical College, Pune, which sculpted me from raw marble to what I am today. I can hold head high with self-possession and pride. I was born with the silver spoon, the only girl child, over-pampered by two brothers, parents and grandparents. The world's affair didn't reach me. As I was busy in my own world, I had only few things in my life: study, enjoy, marry around, and relax. Got admission in D.Y. Patil College for Women, first of its kind as it was then Women's College. Since we were from the foundation batch, I was again caressed and coddled by teachers, staff, and the management. I never imagined myself foray into medicine. As before joining MBBS, had heard scary and at times horrifying stories of medical college and academic curriculum. Finally, studying 24 hours a day, coping with the studies, bearing the brunt of very high expectation from teachers, being in the foundation batch, and family, as was the first girl who moved out of the comfort zone to become a doctor. Rome was not built in a day, nor by a king alone. And if it was any easy, everybody would be doing. Few chosen ones get selected and only few complete. Tough long days of study, it prepares all the caterpillar to evolve as butterflies. And soon they emulate the honeybees and find one flower to settle, and got the love of my life during my MBBS. Since it was girls' college, not much scope for flirting with lecturers, finally married one. The marriage. Oh, it was a complete game changer for me. Marrying a known Punjabi, never ever imagined. It was a big fat Indian wedding. That was the best moment when the two souls were weaving their dreams of colorful future. Out of the comfort zone, cultural differences, customs popping up. That's when I realized the importance of good teaching in my college, stress handling, trying to strike a balance between a Marathi family, Punjabi family, future aspirations, admission to post-graduation, so on and so forth. Where there is a will, there is a way. Like true Punjabi girl, I dared and married Maharashtrian doctor. Punjabi kudiye became a Marathi mulgi. It was not a bed of roses at all, but I managed various roles and made all proud by juggling all challenges in the circus of life. Then gave birth to the apple of my eye. I was overwhelmed by a blend of physical, hormonal, emotional changes while learning new tasks and skills of motherhood. I had experienced a complete spectrum of emotions, ranging from the baby blues to the postpartum mood disorders. At the same time, I was exam going for my post-graduation. Pregnancy was an exciting and life-changing time. However, it definitely didn't mean that my studies would come to an end. There was a tremendous support from the family during this period and cleared the radiology exams with flying colors. Then started the journey of transformation to mature, multifaceted woman, and started the era of juggling various roles of a radiologist, dutiful wife, loving mother, balancing the strike between two culturally different families, social responsibility as a doctor. Never mind, these difficulties and challenges were to strengthen the mind as hard work does to the body. कहते हैं ना, दिल का रास्ता पेट से होके जाता है. फिर क्या? The carefree girl who would never go to the kitchen and always find excuses to escape those kitchen rides never realized when this cooking became my passion. My mother always used to say cooking is love made edible. I used to follow my grandmother too. She used to say, spending the time in the kitchen is a therapy. It just puts me in a much calmer, less frazzled mood than sitting on the couch for the same amount of time. Plus, it gives me an opportunity to nurture my family and friends, to express my love and take care of them. In the meanwhile, got my recognitions in the field of radiology, many accolades in the extracurricular activities too, quiz competitions, dancing, mono act, box cricket, SPD Bhushan, to name a few. There is an old adage, healthy mind rests in a healthy body, and healthy body nurtures a healthy family and society. At the same time, beauty and grooming helps to shape the personality of the individual, and such an individual can shape the future of family and society. That's how began the journey of running. I live every day. I run marathons, volunteer support for such events in and around Pune. Fitness is a must-to-do tightrope walk of work, family, and gym helps to maintain strength and stamina. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. I'm a woman bred by fashion. Everyone who knows me knows that my passion for life and goals must be consistent with fashion. My enthusiasm is always fashion. I grew up in a joint family. My father used to get big rolls of clothes, and to look different, we all would style it differently using our creativity. Hence, the clothes and colors always fascinated. And this became my passion to enhance the personality, express myself, and to raise the confidence. They say, work hard and party harder. My natural flair helps me to develop a circle of friends from medical and non-medical fraternities. Besides professional work, I have spearheaded various initiatives. I've been an office bearer of many Doctors Association, was the founding secretary of Radiology Association of PCMC, founding core committee member of medical body BMA, Aund Bane Doctors Association, joint secretary of Indian Medical Association Pimpri Chinchwad branch, joint treasurer of SPDA, Maharashtra State Coordinator of Raksha, Radiologist for Girl Child Initiative, co-chairperson of Superwoman Committee of IRIA, that is Radiology Imaging Association, coordinator with Happy Streets, the Times of India initiative. In association with Times of India, have propagated various social events for cancer awareness, arranged a ramp walk for cancer survivors, for psychiatric patients, medical partner for Lokmat Marathon, organizing team member of Pune largest marathon PRBM, that is Pune Running Beyond Myself, conducted various health talk shows. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao is the mission of life. In association with PCMC officials, performed skits for this awareness. I have organized various state and national conferences of radiology. To name a few, at 2018, the trend-setting conference by the women radiologist, women as speakers, and women-related topics. Organizing co-secretary of Khelotsav, one of its kind initiative by IMA Pimpri Chinchwad, wherein all the indoor and outdoor games were organized and was appreciated at state and national level. I have been a key player in organizing Medi Queen, a beauty pageant, a pageant with a difference by the doctors for the doctors. All the doctors from different parts of Maharashtra participated in this revolutionary event. Our team conducted auditions in 6 different cities of Maharashtra, each one larger and bigger than the previous one. I was the styling expert of these 65 finalists and travelled extensively and chose wardrobe as individually as per personality and comfort to carry on stage. It was a mammoth task to groom the super talented doctors. To summarize, few of my qualities that make me a woman of substance: a strong and positive smile, the energy that helps raise the body and soul of all around me, the humor, and last not the least, my personality. I have the magnetic one. Don't define me by the looks that I have. Don't define me by the clothes I choose to wear. I am more than what meets the eye. Define me by the tough battles I fight each day. Define me by my courage to face them, no matter how difficult. I value honesty, loyalty, love, respect and trust. तिखी मिरची मी दिल्लीची, पुण्याचे लोणच्यात मुरली, दिनेशच्या साथीने द्विजचे बरोबर लोखंडे कुटुंबाची चव वाढवली. I am proud to be called as Supermom by my near and dear ones. I allot to Maharashtra, which bestows respect and encouragement. This has helped me shape into the woman of my dreams and achieve excellence and life satisfaction in personal and professional life. The cultural integration is not about just language, food, etc. It is truly to be integrated with culture, language, so that it is so seamless, none can mark the individual identity. Many people say we fail to identify whether Dinesh is a Punjabi or Ritu is a Maharashtrian. That is the success story of my life, and I owe this entire success to my college, the foundation of my life, D.Y. Patil Medical College. Thanks a lot. This is my humble attempt to tribute this to my college.